Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to make a group chat in Gmail app. Let's get to it. Here I have opened my Gmail app and we're going to create a group. And if we want to create a group chat on Gmail, we can simply click on this button. But if this button hasn't appeared on your Gmail, you can go to your Gmail setting and try and activate that feature on Gmail. Since I have activated this chat feature, we can simply click on it. And then choose new space or click on new space right here. All right, and there will be several options for you, and you gotta click on create a space. And then type your space name or your group name, for example like this, and you can also put description, but it's optional. And after that, we can go to next right here. And then choose the person or the account that you want to add to your group chat. For example, like this, you just have to type the account or the person like this. All right, after that, we can click on done after you finish adding people to your group. And wait for a moment, guys, it's still loading. Okay guys, now the group chat has been created and you can send your chat or type your chat by clicking on this button. For example, I'm going to type hello, then you can send your chat by clicking on the send button. Okay guys, that's how we can create a group chat in Gmail. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.